All right, just pulled in the driveway. We're on Pond Road, which is kind of a main road coming into Hinesburg from like the back end of town. But the views are sick. You're like right on the fringe of the village of Hinesburg, which means you're like 3 minutes to the high school, 5 minutes to the elementary school, 5 minutes to downtown, which is pretty cool. They have a little pub, and there's a bar, a little restaurant. So it's not like booming metropolis. It's Hinesburg, but still pretty sweet. So the house, again, we know with the price, we're not getting like, you know, they're not giving this away. There's no fire sale here. It's like the house does need a little bit of work. However, it's a pretty cool house in a really good location. And Hinesburg is great. The school district at CVU is arguably one of the top in the state. Yard's nice and taken care of. I mean, the house definitely has some things going on with it. I sent you a disclosure this morning with some of the stuff that needs to get done to it. And we'll see what the upstairs bathroom looks like. But siding is cedar. It's in mostly good shape. Needs some replacement. Obviously, it's the stuff along where the rain runs off the roof down there. Roof does need a little bit of work. You'll see that in the disclosure. I sent a few emails to the agent to try and get some clarification on the rest of the roof parts. Some of the grommets need to be replaced. Again, if this house is done up, it's a $650,000 house in Hinesburg. Right now, it's a $450,000 house in Hinesburg. All right, so you walk in the door. You've got a half bath when you walk in. What's up, guys? Laundry room area as soon as you come in. So this is kind of actually good. Come in, drop your stuff off. Go to the right. We go from tile to carpet. It's like a little office room. This is a new window. So yeah, a bunch of the windows have been replaced. This window just needs to have the framing put back up, but the window is new behind it. I can see that from here. So I think in that in the estimate of work to be done that I sent, some of the windows need to be replaced, and they had the windows. Looks like she's done some of these windows because these are new windows. And these aren't just like shitty windows, they're sweet wood windows. I mean, we did our house. We priced, should we do wood windows or do the vinyl frame? And the wood windows were way more expensive. These are nice windows. I believe these are, tough to see exactly. I think they're Anderson, but I can't see. Windows look to be in great shape. So this is the living room. And again, it's like just like trim stuff, like all around the house, just things. You know, this little paint, little work here needs to be just dealt with. That's paint. That's not water or anything. That's just paint. You know, they replaced some ceiling work here. They just haven't finished painting everything. Like they painted some of the stuff, but just didn't finish it all. So let's go into the kitchen. The kitchen's cool. All right. So cabinets are in good shape. I mean, this is a 1,900 square foot house. So it's not massively huge. That's cool. The cutting board built in there. Formica cabinets. Formica countertops, cabinets, everything's original. Here, probably from '87. So they put a new door in, just haven't trimmed it up yet. But the house just needs finish work, apparently, for what it looks like. That's a beautiful floor. Get the light on in here. I mean, this house needs some work, but that's the point of the price. Once you put the work into it, it's pretty sweet. All right, let's check out the side here. This is so, living room was over there. Kitchen, dining room, walking out to the porch here. I can see still some of the windows haven't been replaced yet. I think, and I'm trying to get clarification on this, they have the windows. She just hasn't put them all in yet. I mean, shit, this is cool. Look at that. It's like the farmer's porch type of thing. Of course, the other side. You can see they got tools here. They are doing some stuff. You know, I look at houses, especially like with you guys, for you guys, like would I live here? Because I got kids too, and you know, I like to do the same kind of shit you guys do. Could I walk around naked in the yard here? Get away with it? Probably. Could I pee off the porch every single morning without getting arrested? Yes. All right, let's get back in the house. All right, so the dining room, again, it's not massive dining room, but this is a pretty big table in there. I mean, I got 2 kids, so a family of 4. I would cut that table down, take a leaf out, and there'd be plenty of room in here to do other stuff besides just have dining room set up. All right, hallway in between the living room and the dining room, front door outside there. So the stairs, and some finished work needs to be done on the stairs. Oh, you got closet right here. You come in between. It's like a double door setup. All right, so yeah, some finished work. Again, it's finished work that needs to be in here. Here we go, yeah. This is, you gotta put a wall right here, or a railing. It's for kids. Okay. Please do not enter, under construction. So the second floor bathroom is being finished. Apparently, for closing, she said it'll be 90 to 95% done. I mean, this is a third bathroom. I'm sorry, third bathroom. Yeah, please excuse. The master bathroom is being completed. All right, so 3 bedrooms upstairs. So we'll start with this one. A little alcove there for like a desk, a big closet. Okay, I mean, she's in the process of moving. Yeah, this has gotta have a railing here, so the kids will walk out and fall out there. It might be tile, maybe what's gonna go here. Maybe she has, again, apparently she has a bunch of the stuff, just hasn't done the work. Next bedroom. Again, a sizable bedroom for a kid. Same thing, little built-in desk area there. Those are cool, I love that because it's a good use of the closet space. You know, they put those little desks in. This house has a lot of upside potential. I mean, you get this thing for $450, put 100 into it, and even less, and you've got a pretty decent house that's got to have some good value. Oh, this is a big room. This is a big bedroom with its own bathroom. That's why there's 3 upstairs. What up, woo? So you got 3 bathrooms total, so 2 upstairs. There's like one that the kids would share, and then one's in the master bedroom here. This is a big room. This is one of those California king beds. It's massive. There's plenty of room in here. There's plenty of room in here. Little corner here, alcove, just a little to a closet, to the walk-in probably. Oh, this is the attic. Okay. Let's see what's happening up here. A little nervous sound. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's okay. So that's just an attic. There's no storage up there or anything. That's just insulated and all that. Okay, that makes sense. So let's see the closet. Here's the walk-in over here. I've got a light switch somewhere. Let's get a lot of fucking shoes. Jesus. Holy shit, that's where all our money goes. Shoes, that's why she can't fix a house. Spending all that money on fucking Prada shoes. Jesus. Okay, so we just hit the master. It's finished work, it's trim work. Like, I mean, you know, you guys are looking at like $700,000 houses. This thing could be had for way less, could be finished for way less. And it's pretty sweet when it's done. It's pretty sweet. I mean, I live in it just like this. Hell, my house is 200 years old. It looks like this now. Central vac, I didn't notice that before. Is this the basement? Yes, basement, okay. Kinger, here we go. Coming down to check the basement out. Can it be usable? Oh, it's dry down here. This is good. Cement floor, I don't see any leaks. Cement foundation, this is nice. Tall ceilings. Big water heater. It's dry as a bone down here, like super dry down here. Stuff's on the floor. I don't see any watermarks. I don't see anything. It's cardboard boxes down here. All right, so the furnace is also wood burning. So it's kind of a combo furnace. It does oil and wood. That's cool. Let's get the wood over there. I'm not sure they use the wood boiler anymore, but I like the wood. There's your water filter. Easy to switch. Looks like it's actually pretty clean and good actually in there. Water looks good. We have one of these at our house. We switch it all the time. Again, when you get off the city water and sewer like you guys are on, you gotta deal with that. Big basement. And it's dry as a bone. Look, there's cardboard boxes on the ground. Things are on the ground. Nothing's wet. It's no musty smell in here at all. Like no musty smell. That's good. I mean, again, it's on the end of it. It's kind of built into a hill a little bit, so if there was any leaks, the water would drain. You know, this is not one of those basements that would collect water. There's wood. This box is on the floor. There's no water stains. Wood on the floor, no water stains. This is an A+ improvement right here. This basement is like worth it all for me. Check the electrical box out. It's all labeled, a little dark, but. Yeah, panel looks good. All the breakers are on, everything's labeled. The electrical looks slightly updated, but the house is not old, 87. I mean, it's not like a 1950s house. Let's see how you get out of the basement. Yeah, it's to walk right out to the outside. It's warm down here. It's toasty. I'm giving the basement a thumbs up. It's a basement where like all fucked up and it was like water and wet and everything else. I'd be like, this house maybe it's got some things we shouldn't think about, but no. The floor is polished concrete. Back upstairs here. Is it perfect? No, it's a $450,000 house in Hinesburg, which is like the most popular school district in the state. In a beautiful little location. It's not massive, but it doesn't have to be. It's just trim work like everywhere. All right. I'm gonna put you on pause here for a minute. I want to put my shoes back on and go outside and take a quick walk around.